Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Thank you, Simona, for inviting us, for everything, for the reception. Okay, we'll try to explain a small project. We are a small architecture firm from Spain, the south of Spain. We are coming from the southeast of Spain, and there are too many problems with this project because it's an unfinished project. We had to cut some things of the project, and we will try to explain as well.
The project is sited at the Spanish Mediterranean coast, southeast of the country, and yes, and we had there. It is the Santa Pola Cape, where we had a real high value site with in ecological, in geological and historical way. Here it is the river, and it's full of water places, and it's a controversial place. ¿Puedes pasar, por favor? Because in the end of the 20th century, the real estate speculation becomes higher and begin to destroy our assets. And we needed to do something. The project is not only the skywalk we're talking about. The project is a net to preserve the uses of the sport uses of the site, the tourist uses, and to communicate two urban cores, the Santa Pola core and the Gran Alacant, that were separated by this cape of Santa Pola. We had a very small budget, so we needed to do little interventions, put in points, in determined points, as a furniture and signage. Can you please? Also, we have designed all the graphics because we believe that architects may involve our work deeply in that cases. And we did a 3 to 6 months of work drawing these routes and to explain to the people who visit the place. We combined in the posts the pedestrian and bike routes with special places like this or like this, and we had a high value heritage from the Spanish Civil War, like coastal batteries and anti-aircraft batteries, and there were the place where they live. So we started to do little interventions like these tables in special crosses, in special points of the way, and working with the limits, but working with respect. The main part of the interventions were sited near to the lighthouse. The lighthouse is the highest part of the cape, and it's from this place you can see all the region. So where we find these military batteries from the Spanish Civil War, and we thought it may be fine to introduce a new object to attract new kinds of people. That was that viewpoint, the Skywalk. We worked around the rests like these interventions with few materials: stone, sand, and paneling, a few paneling. This is one. This is the biggest panel in the intervention. It's explaining why this military heritage is cited to protect the city of Alicante from the attacks of the National Band. And here is the intervention of the coastal batteries. After, before. This is one example, the telemetry bunker, where we worked with these limits of stone and a few metal. You can see here some paintings. The bunker was painted by a graffiti artist, and these were the interventions in the coastal batteries. These are the bases of the canyons. And there is a net of tunnels that connects all the complex. And here you can see that is the panel. Okay. Then there were another type of interventions. There were 4 civil anti-aircraft batteries for Civil War, and where we must to explain to the people and reconstruct and rebuild these almost completely these batteries, but always respecting and keeping distance with the existent. And we had 26 operations over the Sierra of Santa Pola, but only we can build 15.
Okay, this is the new attractor we put it. We try to build a piece that flows a little bit with the landscape. This is the piece. You can walk, and we made some models, some structures, and trying a structure every time, because the budget reduced it 2 times. We have to adapt again the final plans of the structure at the same time we were building. Finally, this is the details, the final details with light structure. And one day arrives, you have to build this metal structure that you have been planning during 5 years, and it's magic. Everybody of the construction site there. We don't have too much money to do it, so we have to move very strictly with the budget. We try to maintain the existing ways. So this is the final solution we give, trying to give new movements of the limit. Now the people is habitating this place as fast and that we couldn't do some kind of inauguration of this kind of things, because the political movements in Spain were changing so fast, and we didn't want also to get in fight with new politicians or old. So this is the entrance. Here we have the three materials we worked with. This resin panel, this stone, and this also, and the metal. Finally, the parapet is moving all around and flowing, going up, going down, moving here, right, moving left, because of the structure, not to put too much material. Okay, and this is okay, post-production. The piece is so exciting that has how to say, the metal. Every piece of metal is calculated in the structure. There is no additional metal. And we wanted to put some video because of we are now receiving a lot of YouTubers, videos, images, and this kind of things. Some friends sent to me this to tell me it's so difficult that you have done this that I want to send you this. It's so difficult. So we want to thank you him, and we want to put a video. Please. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.